IVM.
Hi everybody, just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with the International Space Station. Did you know that it costs NASA about $3 to $4 billion a year to fix and maintain the International Space Station? That is billion with a B. And if you don't know what the International Space Station is, it is mankind's most amazing technological creation. It is a laboratory in space that has been continuously occupied by a human since 2000. That means that since 2000, at any given point of time, there has been a human being in space because of the ISS. Isn't that crazy? The typical crew size is about 7 people. And when there's a crew handover, it can increase dramatically. The crew's job is to conduct experiments in space and fix and maintain the ISS. Fixing things before they become big issues that could potentially destroy the ISS or damage it forever. Every day, the ISS is hit with hundreds of particles flying through space. That damage needs to be fixed, and these are particles that are speeding faster than a bullet. In our lives too, we are constantly being bombarded with things taking place. So many of us feel like our life is a mess, that we need to do something about it. We need to make a change. But we don't know where to start. So many listeners write to me every day saying that they hate their current state of life, but have no idea where to begin the process or the journey. What is the most important thing to do? What will make them feel good about themselves? What can they change? And friends are constantly giving them advice. Go for a run, do a course, learn meditation. And all of these things are great advice and will work, but only once their lives are already ready for it. When something is broken, we don't try and supercharge it. Instead, we try and fix it first. Today's habit is inspired by something Thaddeus Lawrence said in his workshop. He said, the state of your mind is governed by the state of your environment. Fix your environment and you can fix your mind. He then made us look around the room and said, I am giving you now 7 minutes. Go around the room and fix things. So I had a box lying around that was supposed to be in the kitchen. There was a pair of scissors that had to be put away. I had to fix the AC remote that was not working. I put away all the clothes that had been away. And all of this I did in 7 minutes. And when I came back, I felt like I'd really achieved something. I hadn't made a dramatic change. I just made a few simple things and fixed a few simple things around me, and it felt like an achievement. When we came back from those 7 minutes, Thaddeus said, now imagine if you could just fix one thing every single day for a whole year. By the end of the year, you would have fixed your life. Become a fixer of things. I absolutely loved this idea, which is why I wanted to share it with you today. Imagine if you could just fix one thing a day. Look around your room or car or kitchen or office right now, this very moment. See if something needs to be fixed or moved or placed in its spot. Then get up now and do it. If you do this every day for a year, you will have fixed your environment. Then you will move to fixing other aspects of your life like your friendships, your relationships, your work. And finally, your mind and your thoughts. And this is where the real magic lies. So your simple habit starts by getting up and fixing one thing in the environment every single day. Slowly, keep growing and searching for things to fix. Become a champion at fixing things, and soon you will have fixed your life. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram.
If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashdin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME 180. That's Awesome 180.
Hey everybody, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On The Habit Coach, Ashton speaks with Ken Honda, Zen millionaire and best-selling author in Japan. His new book, Happy Money, The Japanese Art of Making Peace with Your Money, teaches us how to improve our relationship with money. On Cyrus Says, founder and CEO of Finway, Rachit Chawla joins Cyrus to share some great financial advice on low-risk and no-risk yields. In the current power vacuum that exists in Afghanistan, will Russia step in? On all things policy, Aditya and Ruturaj seek the opinion of Ivan Klesch. On The Habit Coach, Ashton chalks out the differences between a workaholic and a high performer. And on Smarter with Sid, Siddharth analyzes if the back-to-theater experience will change consumer behavior and attention span. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. That is the most helpful thing that you could do to help us out. And finally, this week, we'd like to thank our sponsors on the network, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, and Intel vPro. We really do appreciate the support. This is what makes it possible.
Given the unprecedented times our nation is going through, where positive is now a dreaded word, Smile India gets you delightful news from across the country about people and places that continue to spread the much-needed hope and positive vibes. I am Shifa Maitra, and you can hear Smile India with me every Thursday on the IVM app, website, or wherever you get your podcasts from. Oh, and did I tell you Smile India is available in both English and Hindi.